Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we're going to do a quick haul. Today we are doing a Temu haul. So if you'd like to see what we have, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, I'm actually headed to work and my hair isn't even done. But we're going to go ahead and open this. Man, they really wrapped this up really good. Like they just got tape, like just all over it. They said ain't nothing coming out of here. Of course, as many others, you know, there's a lot of Temu reviews going on around. I happen to be one of the ones Temu reached out to. So we're gonna see what we have. Can't remember all of the selections that I selected, but we're gonna find out together. All right. I think I cut the bag a little bit, but everything came in here. All right, we're just gonna dig in and see what's inside. All right, first thing I grab, ooh, it's kind of really beat up. It's Miss Rose Shimmer Highlighter. Ooh, let me open. It's broken. It's definitely broken. All right, we'll put that to the side. Maybe we can fix it later, not sure. All right, next thing I have, which is beat up as well, is 7D Beauty Trend Mascara. You guys know I love some mascara. Let's open it and see. Well, it's a cute package. Really cute. Okay. And let's see what else we have. Ooh, what is this? Okay, there is some brow styling soap. I never got into the brow soap trend, but yeah, you can see the little clear gel in there. I'm not going to swap or test anything right now because I'm actually headed to work, but included in that you get a little spoolie. Get a little spoolie in this brow shaper. That's really cool. Now this one I could actually keep in my purse. The other ones that kind of fold down, those are a little dangerous, but I do like this. Really cute. Next we have, all right, we have an eyebrow pencil. SVMY, I'm not sure what that means. If you follow my channel, you know I don't really use brow pencils on myself, but this looks promising. See the little fine tip there? When I do use it on my clients, I do love a fine tip brow pencil. So that would definitely go to my office. Let's just continue on. All right, ooh. Next, oh, I got this little, this is like a mascara. Helps you apply mascara without, you know, getting it on your skin. So like you would put it under here and like put your mascara on, or you know, do it over the top, brush it up. Okay, I got that for my clients. You're gonna take to the office. And let's see what else we have. More mascara. Tient mascara. Cute little package. Cute little kitty. All right, and next we have some lashes. Definitely wanted to try out some lashes. Let's see what else we got here. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, cute little eyeshadow palette. There we go. Cute little eyeshadow palette. Again, I don't have time right now to swatch anything, so we're just gonna keep it rolling. Oh, these are so cute. All right, and I got some cute little hairpins. Oh, these are perfect for my hair. I was afraid these would be really little, but they're not. These are really cute. Really cute for my hair. I can just pin it back. Let's see. You get the idea. Don't really have a mirror right now, but that's really cute, right? Okay. And 5 of those came on there. Oh no, 6. 6 of the barrettes. Whew. Got another brow. Wait. Let's see what this is. The other one is a soap. Let's see. This one should be tinted. Let me see. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I gotta hurry up. This one is tinted, but I guess I thought this was a powder. You can see that's like a gel. I thought it was like a brow powder. So we'll have to see how that works. Ooh, it's a lot of stuff. All right, and then here's another highlighter. Looks like this one did not break, so you can kind of see what that looks like. It's really pretty. Really pretty gold. It reminds me of the MAC Extra Dimension highlighters. Really pretty. I'm tempted. That's pretty. Really soft. I like that. All right. Let's keep going. And what is this? This one is a blush. Let's open this. Ooh. This one's in here. Really good. Oh, cute packaging. It's really pretty. Ooh, oh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. That is pretty. That reminds me of NARS blush. I can't think of the name. Whew. All right, another brow pencil. And I wanted to try out some brushes. These look promising. Let's take those out. I won't take them all out, but I'll take, well, this one's already peeking out. That's really soft. Let's try this one here. Trying to hurry up, guys. Okay. That's nice. It's a nice brush. Cute. Love the angle at the bottom. This is really cute. This would definitely work for a foundation. So we'll put that to the side. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-piece brush set. Let's see what else. And then, what is this? Oh, it's a 4-piece liquid lipstick set. Cute. Very cute. These are really cute. Really cute. Oh, this one right here. That one is calling out to me. I'll definitely have to do a review on that. And then the last item I have is a mirror. I really, oh you guys, you can see where that first highlighter spilled on everything. I need to be careful because I have more in light color today. But I had one of these before and I just do not know what happened to it. But this is a travel mirror. It's really compact size, really good for traveling. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, well, let me get another one. Looks like it takes the batteries. And then looks like it has a port to plug in as well. But very cute. You get the magnified side. Ooh, it's very magnified. Really cute. And here's the plug here. There's a plug that came with it. You can plug it into a computer or anything that has the USB connection. All right, guys. So that is it for my Temu haul. Let me know if you guys have purchased anything from Temu, what your shipping was like, what the products would like. I would really love to hear you guys' feedback on this. I'm gonna try to get this video up as quick as I can, and of course I will definitely be reviewing some of these products with you guys to let you guys know what my thoughts are as well. All right, guys, so that is it for the video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup, and also my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.